As you're vital breathing, we're going to slow the energy down. So in order to get the energy to slow down, you have to slow the mind down, slow the consciousness down that's controlling the energy. So to do that, at the beginning and the end of the breath cycle, you have a pause and just let your mind become still for a moment. So you move more away from the feeling of the energy to stillness, and then you saturate that stillness back through the energy as you breathe in and out. So we draw the vital energy in, there's a pause, make your mind quiet, just enter the silence, and then saturate that silence through the energy as you breathe out. You get to the other end of the breath, pause, enter the silence, and that silence can last a few seconds, 10 seconds, depending on your breath and how comfortable it is. And then you just continue this cycle of slowing everything down. So if, let's say it's fluctuating at this speed, on the first breath you pause, it becomes still, everything just slows a little bit more down on the next level, and you just keep cycling through until you reach a place where the energy in your hands is thickened up. So it's a signpost. And this feeling of thickness of the energy, it's sort of like a disparity between your consciousness being in a slower state and your physical body being in a faster state, and the energy gets a thick, syrupy quality to it. And that thick, syrupy quality is a sign that, okay, now you're in the astral plane, you're in the astral body. And when you're doing Tai Chi, it's the quality of Tai Chi. The reason why the movements are slow is because you're relaxing and slowing the energy down from a vital physical level to an astral level. And Chen Manqing would call it swimming in air. You have this feeling of being inside water, and that's that feeling quality you want to get when you're working with any Qigong exercise in your astral body. Once you're at that place where the energy's thickened, you go from the pause, and then you make the whole in and out breath one long, slowing down of the breath. So you don't stop at the ends anymore, and you tune the breath. And that's when you take the breath from this amount of time to this amount of time. And you want to get it to a place where you can't, if you put your finger on your nose, you can't feel any air moving, it's so slow. So it might take you half a minute to breathe in and half a minute to breathe out, depending on your cardio and your lung capacity. And then you can tune the breath and get it even slower. So the first part of this exercise, we call it the 4-cycle breath. The first cycle is the pause, the second is the in or the out, and then the other pause. Creates these 4 cycles. The tuning the breath is the gradual slowdown. So it's like the second stage of the exercise. You switch from the first stage of the 4 cycle to the second stage when the energy has become thick, when you get that thickening of the feeling of the energy. If you've done this a few times, the moment you lift your hands up and do 3 breaths, you're already there, because your energy system remembers where you want your mind and energy to go to. In the beginning, it might take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get into that place where the energy is really thick and slow. So take your time with it, switch from stage 1 to stage 2 any time you feel is right, when the energy is thickened up.